This is Nature Guy X46, and this is the Natureverse 4.7. This is another in my Subscriber Week videos. This time it was suggested by Jurassic Edit X. Before we get into the video though, we need to take a break in the action. Time for a quick pause in the action. Just a quick reminder for you to subscribe if you haven't. Click the like button, leave me a comment, and share the video with someone in your family or your friend group. And now, back to your regular video. Dolphins rank as one of the most intelligent animals on the earth. I don't know how they compare to human intelligence, but I do know they use tools, and I do know that they can recognize themselves. The intelligence of a raven is comparable to that of a 4-year-old child. Ravens can remember faces of humans. Pigs can play simple video games, and they have a comparable intelligence of a 3-year-old. Chimpanzees actually plan out and carry out hunts on primates. A chimpanzee has the intelligence of around a 2 to 3-year-old. Elephants can manipulate or alter their ecosystem to meet their needs, i.e., they can dig for water and they use tools. African gray parrots have an intelligence that can surpass 5-year-olds. Octopuses can figure things out. They can open up jars to get to crabs or other sources of food. We may not think of rats as being intelligent, but they can actually be trained to do tasks. There are so many animals who are intelligent, and these are some of the tops, at least in my book. Guess what time it is? It's time for me to say see you in the next one. And with that, I will see you peeps later.